Here I have Samsung Galaxy J5 2017 and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case it could be simply the calendar. Let's just assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I have to do is use the power key and volume down together for about 32 seconds. And as you can see, just capture the screen. Let me show you one more time. Let's hold down together power key and volume down. And you just capture the following screen. So that's it. This is the most simple way of taking screenshots. And if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you can find the screenshot folder right here by using the upper bar and tapping screenshot captured. Or you can also use the gallery right here. Choose either pictures or albums, and here you've got the screenshot folder, the screenshot album. Now you can share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So that's it. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.